Hi, my name is Dr. Claire Moran, and I'm a qualitative researcher and educator. I help researchers to use AI to manage their time, their projects, and their priorities more strategically, without adding noise or compromising quality or rigor. And I'd like to tell you a little bit about RES 201, so AI for research planning and organisation. So in this course, we focus on practical ways to reduce administration and to stay in control of your research. So you'll learn to use tools like Notion, Google Sheets, and Calendly and ChatGPT to design project timelines, to structure communication, and to track progress across multiple tasks. So in this training, we don't just explore tools, we apply them to your real research context. You'll get to work through structured activities, to test live prompts, and to build workflows that you can take away and reuse immediately. You'll also collaborate in small groups and have space to ask questions and refine your approach. So if you'd like to streamline the operational side of your research while maintaining rigor and autonomy, I'd love you to join me in this training. Thank you.